Hello traders, hello everyone, my name is Horvat and welcome to a new video analysis here on cryptocurrencies. Actually, I will take a look only on Bitcoin. As you know, we have recovered very nicely here from those March lows. Actually, it was the same period of recovery when also stocks moved to the upside. But looks like that now we could be facing some resistance up here. We are already reversing from some of the very important levels, especially if we consider this structure which made 5 waves up out of this triangle. So we know that triangles occurs prior to the final move within the larger trend. So maybe we are in the first stage of some corrective setback. Well, when looking at those 5 subwaves here on the lower time frame chart, you can very easily see that there was also a triangle here in this wave 4 of one lower degree. So this triangle also indicated that maybe there will be limited upside. And so far we have a very nice reversal here to the downside. It looks like that this is an impulsive price action that also can take us below this trend line support. However, these are cryptocurrencies, much more volatile markets. So it's always good to wait a little bit more than just 1 or 2 days for a breakdown. If you have, let's say, maybe a weekly candlesticks reversal, then this could be much more important and significant when you are trying to call top or bottom, because that's not FX or stock market when you have maybe something just 1 day and it's enough to call a breakout. So still, I think that this could be the first leg of a lower price action. I mean, we could see at least 3 wave drop back towards this August 12 levels, and then maybe even this one can be much more interesting here and important at 1st of August. Actually, it was a nice spike down there. So this would be our first support. If we see only a 3 wave drop into this area, then again we should be looking for potential bullish resumption. If you'll see a 5 wave drop into this zone, then we will know that market is headed even lower. Now here's also this intraday chart. Since I mentioned, very nice 5 wave fall here from the highs, and looks like that we could be now in stage for a corrective recovery. The first one, as always, resistance is at wave 4 of a lesser degree, and then you have another wave 4 of 2 lesser degrees that comes in also here around 61.8% retracement. So I think that this is a very nice resistance zone, so I would not be surprised by more weakness from that area as long we are trading below that high. So as long we are trading below that high, I'm aware of more weakness or at least sideways price action. I really do not see this as a bullish setup at this stage. And since I mentioned that stocks and Bitcoin also moved up both together from March lows, so it makes sense when stocks come to the downside that also cryptocurrencies comes to the downside. Why? Because stocks, if I have money in stocks and I will pull them out, then definitely I will not leave them in cryptocurrencies if I'm afraid of my investment, since cryptocurrencies are already speculative in their nature, much more than stocks and much more volatile. So I would not be surprised if they will be both moving for a lower price action. And what I really think it's important here on the S&P 500 is that you have now very nice recovery here from March lows, and so far we are seeing 20 weeks of recovery from March levels, meaning that we are at the late stages of this cycle. If we consider that the same cycle occurred here back in 2017, 2018, 2019, and then also at the end and through 2020. So if we respect what the market has been doing in the past, it always slowed down after these 21 weeks. Then, of course, I would not be surprised if maybe this will happen now again here at this new all-time highs, which was always the case when new all-time highs was hit after this 18 or to 21 weeks of period of bullish trend. So maybe we are in a stage of reversal. Also, there's extreme optimism still seen here on this market. So maybe this is now going to slow down. It's not necessarily that we will see any big drop, maybe just a consolidation before we push prices even higher. So I think that there will be opportunity still on these markets, but much better from lower prices. Traders, thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you soon. Bye.